Part design is an iterative process, often requiring multiple versions and revisions to arrive at the final product. As the design evolves, modifications to existing features are often necessary. When editing a feature higher up in the features list, Onshape rolls the Part Studio back to the respective feature. Visualizing the impact of those edits on the overall design prior to accepting them can be helpful. Onshape provides two methods for previewing a feature's resulting geometry. The slider at the bottom of the feature dialog offers insight into the model before and after generating the feature. Similarly, the final button previews the resulting Part Studio once all features have been regenerated. All features in the features list, except the last feature, contain a final button in their dialog. This is particularly helpful when downstream features are dependent on features preceding them. You can modify parent features and immediately visualize the impact those modifications have on dependent child features. As an example, edit fillet 1 on this brake lever. Before clicking the final button, it seems the fillet radius can be modified within a wide range of values. After clicking the final button, it becomes apparent that editing the radius value affects the position of the dependent mounting holes downstream.